Hey guys, it's Cyla and welcome to Cyla Tries. If you're new here, this is just a place where we hang out, have a couple drinks, and try new things. So today I'm drinking a Michelob Ultra, classic summer drink. Like if you're going to the beach or whatever, I live near the beach. Today I'm going to be doing Peppa Pig makeup or cosplay or whatever you want to call it. Let's see what happens, okay? It's pink. Oh, I love this pink. Like, I want to be this color, like, naturally. And I want to be the only pink person. So people are like, what the heck is that? I'm like, I'm an alien. Hello? Or I'm Peppa Pig. I don't know. Peppa Pig. Ooh. This is cold. We're going to wing it. Peppa Pig needs a drink. I need to give myself pink eyes real quick. It's cold! Okay. Hi. Okay, here we go. I'm pink. I got my pink on. Now we need to put our nose on. We have to make a nose. I was never good at arts and crafts. Never. Cut some of this. Oh no! I got it in my water! Oh! Ah! Relax. I get the paper and I just like make a nose. I knew I should have bought noses. Noses? I know I should have bought snouts. I knew I should have bought pig snouts. But where's the fun in that, you know? Oh my gosh, excuse me. Yeah, she dry? Oh, it's chalky. It just like comes right off. Peppa Pig! Peppa Pig! Peppa Pig seems a little bit of a jerk. I'm just saying. She doesn't seem like a very nice little pig. Who cares? Who cares? Hey, that was actually some good whistling. Get it on the arm, my arm. So Peppa Pig has an accent. Cyla tries accents also. Georgie. Ugh, Peppa Pig's kind of annoying, no? Unless that's just me. Peppa Pig. Wow. I kind of feel like Barney too, but Barney's purple. Maybe we'll do Barney next time. What do you think? Let me know. Either let me know in the comments or this will be edited out and no one will ever know that I said Barney. Let's add another layer. Nah, we're good. I'm eating this paint. Let's not. Let's get our nose on. Peppa Pig. Oh my god, I think I made this too big. No! What do I do? You cry. I made a snout and now we gotta tape it on. Fingers crossed! She has these like little cheeks that are red on the side. Pink cheeks! Well guys, this is the result of my work today. This is what it is! Why? Okay. Well, I mean, I would give this look a 2 out of 10. I give 2 points for creativity, I think. I don't look like a pig. I don't know what this is, but I am just as disappointed in this as you are. I'm so sorry. This is so bad. No, this is not it. This is not it. But hey, this was fun. I had a lot of fun. It looked like Pepto-Bismol. If you have like a stomach ache, like just call me. I'll be there. No, that was stupid. That was stupid. I turned Peppa into Pepto. Well, thanks guys for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of future videos, and don't forget to watch another video after this. I love you guys so much. Bye!